welcome to episode number 10 of NoCodeNerd. Alright, so today we are doing Substack. Now Substack, you may have heard it before. It is basically a really, really cool newsletter platform for independent writing and independent publishers. I really like it. I think it's the simplest dang tool for newsletters, or sometimes even podcasts, things like that, because they have really good embed systems. Any kind of like regular content you're putting out, if it's a newsletter, if it's a blog, Substack kind of covers most of that really, really easily, really, really quickly. So this is Substack. I actually run the NoCodeNerd newsletter, where I update you on all the videos that I make every week, which you can find somewhere around the video, the link to it probably in the comments. You can subscribe to that, but that is a Substack newsletter. I literally create it in 5 minutes. I can monetize it if I want to. Like if I have a paid feature, Substack is really, really good for paid stuff. So if you want to have people subscribe for a certain paid amount, yearly, monthly, for your special kind of content, right? Maybe you have a private section of content or a paid newsletter or like, whatever in that kind of space. If you're making consistent content that's written, you can share it through Substack, and you can even monetize it if you have the opportunity to. So, yeah, highly recommend it. You can customize everything about it. I actually run also a small side business where I help people, because Substack creates landing pages for you, but I have a small business that allows you to create better landing pages for Substack. So if you want to start a Substack newsletter and you want a really snazzy landing page, also hit me up. Drop a comment down below. I'll shoot you a message. It's the simplest newsletter tool out there. So it's everything you need in a newsletter tool combined into one dashboard. Gives you a website, gives you a landing page, and now you can even hook up domain names. And you can even get paid through it. It's great. Anyway, I reiterated, it's a great tool. Check it out. Hope that was helpful. Links to it and everything else associated with this video will be somewhere. You'll find them. See you in the next episode.